Indonesia is a vast archipelago of 17,000 islands, having more than 100 million hectares of terrestrial and 5 million square kilometers coastline. Indonesia has very rich and unique biodiversity, also highest biodiversity in the world. It's often called the mega biodiversity country. Indonesia has more than 47 ecosystems distributed from the alpine into the deep of marine ecosystem. It's a home abundance of world's flowers, mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fishes. Indonesia has committed to conserve the biodiversity in all levels. Fifty-four national parks are covering more than 27 million hectares, considering the richness of the ecosystem and species, as well as the genetic and their uniqueness in the world. 7 ASEAN Heritage Parks have been designated, namely Gunung Leuser, Kerinci Seblat, Waikambas, Kepulauan Seribu, Bantimurung, Bulu Seraung, Wakatobi, Lawrence, Gunung Leuser National Park, which covers more than 800,000 hectares, is the first national park declared by Indonesia and also become ASEAN Heritage Parks. This tropical rainforest of Sumatra, specially dedicated to conserve an outstanding value of 4 large mammals: Sumatran rhino, tiger, orang-utans, and elephants. Kerinci Seblat National Park, with its richness of the biodiversity and the beauty of nature, with the total are more than 1.3 million hectares, is the famous habitat of the Sumatran tiger, Rafflesia arnoldi, Rafflesia haslati, and Taxus sumatranus. Some of those species have been tested in the laboratory for its benefit for health, anti-cancer, and to halt the infectious diseases. Waikambas National Park has a total area more than 100,000 hectares. Waikambas is a lowland secondary forest which is suitable for rhino and elephant. The establishment of rhino sanctuary in this national park is to assure the reproduction of rhino in their semi-nature habitat. Andatu and Harapan are the evidence of the success of the program. In securing the population of the rhino in their nature habitat, Center of Elephant Conservation is built in this area. Kepulauan Seribu National Park, with a total area of more than 100,000 hectares. The park is just next door to the capital city of Indonesia, Jakarta, and their beauty panoramic coastal and marine ecosystem, where the turtle usually landing for nesting include the eagles. Conservation of the turtle and coral reef, as well as the mangrove plantation, is also involving civil society and local community. Bantimurung Bulu Seraung National Park has the total area of 43,000 hectares, designated being an AHP in 2018. The most popular ecosystem conserved is karst and its spatial shape of cave. The caves have preserving the prehistorical authenticity of the ancient people, their art, and living. The best waterfall is the sanctuary of the diversity of butterfly, and the national park is also known as the Kingdom of Butterfly. It is also home of the endemic species such as Sulawesi Julang, Kuskus, Sulawesi Black Macaque, and Tarsier. Wakatobi National Park, located in the heart of World Coral Triangle Ecosystem Center. Wakatobi is a miniature of this archipelagic country, with a total area more than 1 million hectares. The seascape of Wakatobi represents an exquisite beauty of underwater marine, and the famous tree atoll called Kaledupa, Kapota, and Tomia. It is structured from the unique coral community as a home for the marine species. Lawrence National Park has more than 2.5 million hectares, which is the largest national park in Southeast Asia. In 1984, Lawrence was declared as ASEAN Heritage Parks. The park is an outstanding example of the biodiversity of New Guinea. Lawrence is one of the most ecologically diverse national parks in the world. At 4,884 meters, Puncak Jaya is one of the highest peaks of the 7 continents. The mammal species include the 4 species of cuscus, as well as wallabies, 3 kangaroos. In Sudirman Range is the dingo and fascinating birds called bird of paradise. And the way for us to preserve and promote the biodiversity and prosperity for ASEAN.